Today we are at Strongdor at a place called Carnforth. It's very close to the Lake District and some of the most beautiful scenery you've ever seen in your life. My name's Simon and I'm the marketing manager here at Strongdor. We design, we fabricate and we build steel doors for various parts of the domestic market. Our entire ethos is to do with providing the best possible door that we can to last the longest time that it can. We like to make life easier for the installer, and that's when we called on SCOPIC to help us to produce that series of videos which are now live on our website. What I found really helpful was that SCOPIC have their own platform in which I can go and view and make editing notes of things that I wanted to see in the finished piece. Seeing is believing, and I think that the key element of video is that you offer to your customers something tangible that they can take away, which is the essence of your company. And I find that SCOPIC are very good at doing that. They make it a simple process from the start to the finish. You feel involved, and yes, absolutely I would recommend SCOPIC for video production.